Hello guys, welcome back. This is second part of Cambridge IGCSE Maths Paper 2 from May-June 2023. Right, in the first video we have done questions from 1 to 14. In this video we will do the remaining question. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and write your feedback in the comment section. I will wait for that. So let's start. Question number 15. C is a point 5 and minus 1. D is a point 13 and 15. Find the midpoint. So this is our CD. We can just have a rough diagram. So we are looking for this point, midpoint, right? So C is the point 5 and negative 1, and D is 13 and 15. So we are just going to take the midpoint of that. So midpoint is going to be the formula is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So x1 is 5 plus 13 over 2, and this is negative 1 plus 15 over 2. So this is 18 over 2 is 9. This is 14 over 2 is 7. So 9 and 7 is final answer. Right, now find the gradient of CD. So formula of gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, right? So we are just going to fill the values. 15 minus 1 over 13 minus 5, right? This minus this minus this. This is 16 over 8, which is 2. Okay, now part C. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of CD. Give your answer in y equals to mx plus c form. So if this is CD, perpendicular bisector is going to be this one. Let's say this is LM. ML. Let me write it down, PQ, because we have used M for the midpoint. So midpoint, it's intersecting at midpoint and also the perpendicular. Now the gradient is gradient of CD. Gradient of CD is let's say it's M1, and we had this one here, we did already, is 2. Then gradient of perpendicular, gradient of PQ, which is perpendicular, is going to be, we have the condition that M1 times N2 equals to negative 1. So M1 is 2, M2 is negative 1, M2 is minus 1 over 2, right? So this is the gradient, and the equation of perpendicular is going to be y equals to mx plus c, right? Y equals to mx. Mx is m is negative half x plus c. Now we have to find out value of c. Now this is passing through, it passes through this point M, right? M is 9 and 7. So substitute this value here, y equals to negative half mx, x is 9 plus 7. So this is going to be negative 4.5 plus 7, which is sorry, C, we are looking for C here. C is here and 7 is going to be here, right? So this is 4.5. so from here we will have C equals to this 11.5, right? So substitute this value here, y equals to negative half x plus 11.5. so this is the equation of perpendicular, right? Now number 16, write 0.621 as a fraction in its simplest form. So you see we have a dot here at 2 1, so that means this 2 and 1 is repeating. So let's say we have x is equal to 0.621 2 1 2 1, like this, right? And if we multiply, you see, because after this it's repeating, so we can multiply it by 1000. So that's going to make it 621. So this decimal is going to come over here, that makes is 6. No, let me rewrite this one. So if we multiply here by 1000, this is going to be 1000x equals to, decimal is going to come over here. So this is 621, like this, right? So now you multiply it by 10x. When you multiply by 10x, this decimal is going to come over here, 6.212121, like this. Now we subtract. When you subtract here, so this is going to be 990x, and all these after decimals. So after writing in simplest form, we can simplify this by dividing it by 330, then by 5. So 41/66 is going to be the final answer, right? Question number 17, we have this diagram here. The diagram shows a triangle with an acute angle marked x. We have here acute angle x. The area of the triangle is 21.43. 2143 centimeters square. Work out the value of x. Now, as you know that area of the triangle, we have formula half AB into sine C. So if this is A and this is B and this is C, angle opposite to this is C. So this area is given to us as 2143 centimeters squares, right? So half times A, one side 92.5 times 71 sine C equals to 2143. So from here sine C, which is actually x, C value of this angle C is x, sine x is 2143 times, this is going to be 2 up there, 92.5 times 71. So this is 0.66174 when you calculate this one. Now for the angle, for the value of x, that is going to be sine inverse 0.66174. This comes out to be 41.43. So we can say 41.4 degree is the final answer, right? Now number 18, make x the subject of the formula. So we have x here, so we can just write down this c over 1, so then cross multiply. So c times this 2x minus 5 equals to 3x times 1 is 3x. We are making x the subject, so we have to expand the brackets. 2cx minus 5c equals to 3x, right? So taking x common, to make x common, we have to shift x this side. 2cx minus 3x equals to 5c. This side 5c is going to be positive, right? So x is common from here, which is 2c minus 3, 5c. So x is 5c over 2c minus 3. This was very simple question, but you can see there are 4 marks of this question. Okay, now number 19, m is inversely proportional to the square of t plus 2. So m is inversely proportional. So inversely means 1 over. We are going to write down m is inversely proportional to square of this t plus 2 square. So m is going to be equals to k over t plus 2 squared, right? So m is 0.64, which is given to us when t is 4. So t is 4 plus 2, right? Now I can write it down like 0.64 equals to k over 4 plus 2, 6 times 6, sorry, so t is 3 plus 2 5 square is 25. So k is going to be 0.64 times 25, which comes out to be let's see, 0.64 times 25, it's 16, right? So value of k is 16. Now find m when t is 8. Now from here this equation 1, from 1 m is equal to k over t plus 2. So m, k we got 16 over t, t is given 8 plus 2 and then square. So this is 16 over 10 square, that is 100. So 0.16 is the final answer, right? Now number 20, in the Venn diagram shade the region A intersection B dash intersection C. Intersection C, we are looking the common area of all this. A and C common area is this one here, like this one. A and C common area is going to be this one, and B dash, it says B dash. B dash will include everything here, right? So but we need complement of C dash, so we are going to have this area here, only this one. Okay, so we can also split this into parts like A dash intersection B dash. A dash, let me show you here. This is our A, B and C. A dash, A is this area, all this area, common of B dash. B dash is leaving B the other part. So that includes this area then, and complement C dash. C dash we are not including C, the other part. So the only area that remains is this one here, which we have shaded, right? Now number 21, solve the equation 5 sin x equals to -3, and we are given the range of angles x is 0 to 360. So from here sin x is going to be -3 over 5, x is going to be sin inverse -3 over 5. So sin inverse -5 times 6, 0.6. So let's see sin inverse, where is sin here? Sin inverse 0 -0.6. This is -36.86, -36.86, approximately we can say -36.9, right? But the angle should be between 0 and 360. So for that we have to see here after school to college, right? -36, you know that, don't look at the sign now. 36.9 is an acute angle, that's gonna come over here. This is 36.9, but we are looking for the angle in this range, right? Or -36 point, it's going to be this angle. So we starting from here, this is 36 plus this one, right? So that's gonna be 180. Take the up to this one. This is going to be 360 theta 1, 360 minus 36.9, 360 minus 36.9. It is 323.1, 323.1 degree, and then the value of x, this is one angle, another angle is going to be if this angle, this is angle, we took one angle, another angle is going to be from here up to this one, right? So this is 36 point, already we have this 36.9, theta 2, 36.9 is this angle, plus 180 this one, plus 180. So this is like 216.9 degrees, right? So we have these two angles, 216.9 degree and 323.1 degrees, right? Now let's move to next question. Question number 22. We have here the fraction, algebraic fraction. To simplify, now write as a single fraction. So first of all we will take the LCM, which is 3x plus 2, 2x minus 1, right? Then you multiply, it's going to be 5 into 2x minus 1 plus 4 into 3x plus 2, right? So now expand the brackets. 5 times 2 10x minus 5, 4 times 3 12x plus 8 over 3x plus 2, 2x minus 1, right? So we can leave as it is the denominator. So combining these two, the like terms, 22x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 1. So this is the final answer. Make sure that you write your answer in the space provided, 2x minus 1, right? Now here is question number 23, which is the last question of this paper. So I hope you guys are getting benefit of these videos. Please write something in the comment section, whatever you want to say about the video. It helps me to improve for the next video. So if you are new to the channel and if you have not subscribed to channel yet, please do so. And let's begin question number 23. Bag A and bag B each contain red sweets and yellow sweets, right? There are two bags with red sweets and yellow sweets. Anna picks a sweet at random from bag A, right? Ben picks sweet at random from bag B. The probability of Anna picks red sweet is 2/3. The probability Anna and Ben both picked is 1/10. Find the probability that Anna and Ben both picks red sweet. So this is a bit tricky question. So you will get 3 marks out of this. So first of all, let me write it down. Let me divide it. For Anna, there is red and there is yellow. For Ben, there is red and there is yellow. That will help us. Now, first thing, Anna picks sweet at random from bag A, right? Ben picks sweet at random from bag B. We'll start from here. The probability that Anna picks red sweet is 2/5. So this is 2/5. Then what will be the remaining the probability of yellow? That is going to be 3/5, right? So then probability of Anna and Ben both picks a yellow sweet. So probability of yellow for Anna and probability of yellow for Ben, right, is 1/10. This is the meaning of this line, right? So then this probability of Anna yellow is 3/5 from here. So this is 3/5 times probability of Ben picking yellow is 1/10. So this will give us probability of this 1/10 times 5/3. 5 times 2. So probability of getting yellow by when Ben is 1/6. This is going to be 1/6 because we simplified this. So we have 1/6, right? So this we are going to then put over here. Probability of Ben getting yellow is 1/6. Then what will be the probability of red? That is going to be 5/6, right? Now what is the question? The question is the probability of Anna and Ben both pick red sweet. Probability of red for Anna and probability of red for Ben both. So this is going to be, our A is 2/5 and 5/6, right? So it's 2/6, that is 1/6.